Hey collectors, welcome back to the Diggin Dave. Have you ever wondered which pennies from 1959 to 1969 are truly the most valuable? These aren't just ordinary pennies. They mark the first memorial cents, a major shift in U.S. coinage history. In this video, we'll uncover the history, minting details, rare errors, grading secrets, collector strategies, market values, and action prices of these iconic coins. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly what to look for in your collection and which pennies could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Don't miss this ultimate guide to the first memorial cents. The first memorial cent was introduced in 1959 to celebrate the 150th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. It replaced the long-standing Lincoln wheat cent, minted from 1909, and introduced the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. The obverse continued to feature Lincoln's portrait, designed by Victor David Brenner, with slight refinements to improve strike quality. These coins were not only a shift in design, but also a reflection of mid-20th century artistry, craftsmanship, and historical homage. Collectors today prize these coins not only for history, but for their potential monetary value, especially when preserved in excellent condition. Memorial cents from 1959 to 1969 were minted at Philadelphia, no mint mark, Denver, D, and San Francisco, S mints. Millions were produced, but subtle differences in die usage, planchet quality, and striking precision created rare collectible varieties. Coins with double die obverse, DDO, are among the most sought after, where Lincoln's profile appears doubled due to a minting error. Off-center strikes, where the design is misaligned from the coin's center, also carry significant collector value. Other errors, like weak strikes, die cracks, and missing mint marks, further enhance collectability. Coins with these rare features can fetch anywhere from $50 to over $12,000, depending on rarity and grade. Among the most valuable years, 1959 DDO, Philadelphia, stands out as the crown jewel, with MS-65 graded coins selling for over $12,000 in recent auctions. The 1960 and 1962 DDO coins from Denver can sell for hundreds or thousands when certified in high grade, often ranging from $500 to $3,000 depending on condition. The 1969 SDDO from San Francisco is another prized find, with prices for top-grade coins reaching $5,000 or more. Even seemingly ordinary proof coins from 1964, 1965, and 1968 can fetch $100 to $500, while gem proofs in exceptional condition often exceed $1,000. Understanding these price ranges helps collectors evaluate which coins in their collection are likely to be most valuable. Collectors must pay close attention to condition and grading, which dramatically affect value. Coins are graded on the Sheldon Scale, from Poor 1 to Mint State 70, with higher grades commanding higher prices. Uncirculated coins, MS-60 to NS-65, are already desirable, while gem uncirculated coins, MS-66 to MS-68, are much rarer and more valuable. Proof coins, especially from San Francisco, have mirror-like finishes and can sell for premium prices, even when only slightly used. Minor imperfections like scratches, toning, or environmental damage can reduce the market value significantly, so proper storage in holders or capsules is essential. The auction market for these memorial cents highlights the action prices collectors can expect. High-grade 1959 DDO coins have sold for over $12,000, while 1969 SDDO coins reached $5,000 to $6,000, depending on certification and condition. Gem proofs from the mid-1960s have been auctioned for $500 to $1,500, and coins with minor errors can sell for $50 to $250. Collectors often follow online and live auctions to monitor prices and understand market trends, using these sales as benchmarks for valuing coins in their own collections. For those looking to evaluate their own pennies, the first step is to examine coins from 1959 to 1969 for doubled dies, off-center strikes, mint marks, and proof quality. Using a magnifying glass or loupe helps identify subtle doubled lines in Lincoln's hair or the eagle's feathers. Coins that appear uncirculated or proof quality should be considered for professional grading, which can dramatically increase their resale value. Preservation is crucial. Storing coins in archival holders or capsules maintains their condition and protects against environmental damage, ensuring maximum value over time. Even coins that seem ordinary can surprise collectors. For example, some have discovered 1959 DDO coins in jars of change or old collections. Once professionally graded, these coins often sell for thousands of dollars, illustrating that careful inspection can turn everyday pennies into prized collectibles. Other finds include off-center strikes, weak mint marks, and minor errors that, while subtle, command $100 to $500 in auctions. The key is knowledge, understanding the minting process, historical context, and grading criteria allows collectors to identify coins worth investing in or preserving. Memorial cents from this period also offer educational value, teaching collectors about American history, minting processes, and coin design evolution. Each coin tells a story of national heritage, artistry, and production intricacies. Whether a coin is a rare error, a gem-proof, or a circulated penny, it reflects craftsmanship, historical significance, and the collector's passion. Learning to identify mint errors, assess condition, and track market value equips collectors to make informed decisions and appreciate the deeper meaning behind each coin. Collectors often combine historical knowledge with market awareness to maximize value. Observing auction results, monitoring trends, and understanding which mint marks or years are scarce helps collectors target coins most likely to appreciate. Proper handling, storage, and grading all contribute to protecting and increasing a coin's value. By following these strategies, a collector can build a portfolio of memorial cents that are historically significant and potentially highly profitable. Stories from collectors further illustrate the excitement and value of these coins. Some have found high-grade 1959 DDO coins hidden in rolled change, which later sold for $12,000 to $13,500. Others have discovered proof coins from the 1960s in pristine condition, selling for several $100s. These anecdotes demonstrate that collecting coins is not only about monetary gain, but also about discovering history, appreciating craftsmanship, and enjoying the thrill of the hunt. By the end of this video, you will understand the most valuable pennies from 1959 to 1969, how to identify rare errors, doubled dies, off-center strikes, and proof coins, and the action prices and market values collectors can expect. Armed with this knowledge, you can confidently inspect your collection, recognize coins with significant value, and appreciate both the historical and financial importance of these first memorial cents. If you want to check the value of your own coin, a link has been provided in the description, and it's also pinned in the comments for easy access. I hope this video helps you understand what to look for in your collection and discover which pennies might be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Diggin Dave for more coin collecting guides, rare coin stories, and historical insights. Happy hunting, and see you in the next video.